Congratulations, my fellow classmates, schoolmates. Today marks significant milestone in our lives. Our preschool years are the most wonderful years since this Jabi Learning Center is the start where our minds are being developed. We are provided with opportunities to become better children and to have self-confidence and sense of responsibility. So, in behalf of my classmates, I would like to thank most of my parents, the teachers, and all the people who in one way or the other helped me to become better individual. Thank you.